Do you have advice for working cattle with your significant other?
Don't do it when you're already mad.
Hey friends. So Tom and I have some calves to vaccinate today. All of our heifers, when they are 3 months old, they go to a heifer grower, a different farm. They raise them for us just because it works best for us. We don't really have the land, the space, or the number of employees to care for all our heifers. So we hire someone to do it for us. But before these calves are going to leave today, we are going to vaccinate them with Nasalgin just to help prevent any respiratory diseases. The fun part is we don't have a chute to run them through, and these calves are probably pushing 300 more pounds. So let's go rodeo. Step one, we need to mix up the vaccine. I used to have one of these handy two-way needles, but I think we'll test it out. We'll find out here. I'm pretty sure it's clogged, but let's see. So this other bottle has like a vacuum in it, so it should suck it right through, but yeah, she's clogged. It's not working. We're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. All right, try this again. Get it all in there. And then goes right into there. We'll be ready to rock and roll here. So this is an intranasal vaccine, so we're gonna squirt it right up the calf's nose. I do have this handy dosing gun that works pretty slick because it just automatically gives the calf the correct dose and you don't have to like keep refilling. I got this from Armor Animal Health. That's where we get most of our animal pharmaceuticals and supplies. It is a Prima. So then we just put this little nasal tube on. Let's go. You ready or what?
No.
Well, I am. Did you not get my messages?
I thought you were talking about hutch calves. I didn't.
You ready to rodeo?
No.
All right, here we go. Going down. A lot more to go. watching this wants to send us a shoot, that'd be great. Hey, do you have advice for working cattle with your significant other?
Don't do it when you're already mad.
Why are you already mad? He's always mad. That's the problem. Why are you mad?
Right?
Are you mad?
Annoyed?
Why?
Because of the miscommunication
on your end.
on your part?
No. I was pretty clear.
Also, when's the last time you mixed up a batch of the vaccine?
That's
in
the
preparation?
one time.
Exactly, the one time you do it.
Trying to, be on the
Double
ball.
check next time.
I said, are you ready? Question mark. Be down there to vaccinate calves. You said, okay.
Right, there's more to it than that. Just move on.
No, I'm right. You're wrong. That's all. 8 done. 8 more to go. We've argued once so far. Influencer problems. There, done. Now, next time we see these calves, they will be 2-year-old springers, which means they will be pregnant, carrying a calf. That's when they come back to our place, just a little bit before they're due to calve. Works pretty slick. We're very happy. We have a good relationship with our heifer grower. He does a great job. Shout out to the Trons. Maybe they don't want to shout out. Hey, don't forget to tell people thanks for farming with us and have a dairy good day. You gonna tell them?
Yeah, thanks.
Have a dairy good day.
Just said it. Why do I have to say it?
It's better when you say it.
Have a very good day.